If you want to see how I got over $50 worth of product for about 38 cents each, keep on watching. Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with Ibotta rebates, guys. I got some good rebates. I got like 16 rebates and a bonus rebate that we're going to talk about today. So let's jump into this haul. I think I did really good. I've got some repeats and then I've got some new rebates that I have never done before. So let's get it, guys. The first rebate I decided to do was a repeat and it's on the Powerade, okay? I'm gonna keep doing it because I feel like it's a good deal. They are priced at 74 cents each for a total of $1.48 for the two. You must buy two for this rebate. You're gonna get back 44 cents, making it be $1.04 after rebate for the two. Pretty good deal. My son drinks these and my husband will probably drink it as well. The next thing I had to do, which was really the sole purpose for me going to do these rebates, was my husband's yogurt, the flips. He eats 2 a day. So as long as this rebate keeps resetting, I'm going to do it, okay? So you've got to buy 4 for this rebate. It is priced $1.22 each for a total of $4.88. When you buy the 4, you're going to get back $2.44. So it's like you're getting them for half price, okay? So I got him 4. I got him salted caramel crunch, cookies and cream. It has the little toppings right here, and then this is the yogurt. I got him peach cobbler this time, and I don't think I've ever gotten him the peanut butter dream. So let me know in the comments below the video, guys, if you have a favorite of the Chobani yogurt that you like, okay? The next thing that I got is a super great deal, guys, because we buy this product anyway, but I've never tried this flavor before. The Tropicana. Remember, I always do these at Harris Teeter, and I was getting them and they were dirt cheap. Okay, well, this is absolutely free for some juice, so take advantage of this deal. No coupon required. The rebate is for $2.14. Now, they had 2 other versions, like a pineapple that was actually priced $2.12, so it would actually be a 2-cent moneymaker. But this one, the actual Caribbean, which I've never tried, the Caribbean Sunset, was priced $2.14. I had to pay $2.14 in store, got back $2.14 in the rebate, making it be absolutely free. Great, great deal. I hope this rebate resets. Woo. Now, the next rebate I did was on the Ajax dishwashing liquid. I did not have a coupon, guys. It was priced $1.67 in my store. There is a 40-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.27. This is a good size bottle. I try to do this every time it resets because I don't have a lot of dishwashing liquid. I'm trying to build up my supply. That way I can sometimes put it in a bundle, okay? The next one I decided to do was on the game. This is a repeat of the dishwashing liquid rebate, okay? $1.87 for this one. I didn't have a coupon, but there is a 10-cent rebate for $1.77, making the final cost be that. All right, not too bad. The next thing I decided to get, guys, and I love this rebate, and let me tell you why. Big old jug, okay, of the all, and it is the Clean and Care Free and Clear with the Fabric Smooth is what it's called. It's $6.97. We do have a $2 all coupon that you can use with this deal, making you pay in store $4.97, guys. But there is a $2 rebate for this on Ibotta, making the final cost be $2.97. But the other wonderful part of this deal is that there is another all laundry detergent rebate that is attaching to this. So I'm going to pop a picture in. I want you to make sure that you clip that as well, and you will get the $2 for that as well. And then it's going to make the final cost be 97 cents. Great deal for this huge 49 load bottle of laundry detergent. Amazing deal, guys. That's a repeat rebate. Remember, I did that last time. Next deal that I did, guys, was on the Downy Wrinkle Guard dryer sheets. This is actually the 60 count. Now, let me tell you the deal. $4.97. There is a $2 P&G coupon that is going to work with this, making me have to pay $2.97 in the store. But then I got back a $1.50 rebate. Great deal, making it be a $1.47 after rebate. Great deal, guys. Next deal I decided to do was on my Renews It repeat deal, but I love my little scent combs. Okay, they 97 cents in my store. You actually had to purchase 6 for this rebate. Okay, so for this deal, gotta purchase 6, and they're 97 cents each for a total of $5.82 for the 6. There is a buy 4 get 2 free coupon for the Renews It, taking off $1.94. I had to pay $3.88 in store. I got back the $2 rebate, making the final cost $1.88 for the 6 of the cones. Okay, great deal, guys. Let's sit all my little cones over here. I got so many cones, y'all. It's not even funny, and I'm gonna do it again if it repeats, okay? Next one is a new rebate for me, guys, and this is my deodorant. Yes, okay. This is the Dove deodorant, priced $4.88, okay? There is a $1.50 coupon from coupons.com that I used. Not quite sure if it's still available, but hopefully you printed that. I used that in store. I paid $3.38 after the coupon. I got back a $1.75 rebate from Ibotta, making it be $1.63 for my Dove deodorant. Great deal. Love Dove deodorant. The next deal I decided to do, guys, was on the Axe body wash. And this is a big old bottle of body wash, okay? Now, the Axe is $4.95 in my Walmart. Again, I used a coupons.com Axe body wash coupon. Now, there's also insert coupons for the Axe body wash, but it's $3 off of 2. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you didn't get the coupons.com, you can perhaps use that one. You'll just have to do the rebate twice. Okay, so the $1.50 came off. I had to pay $3.47 in my store. Got back a $2 rebate, making the final cost $1.47 for the Axe body wash. Great deal, guys. Great deal. Don't forget, we're gonna do that video. We're gonna do that video about the Christmas gifts, so we getting all our goodies together. The next thing I got was my no yolks. Okay, gonna keep doing this deal. It's food, okay? $1.78 for the no yolks. Did not have a coupon, but I did get back a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.27 after the rebate for the no yolks. That is a repeat rebate. Look at all this rebate goodness over here. I love free stuff. Had to do some food, guys. Y'all know we're gonna keep on doing these food rebates. We must do it. We stocking up for the winter, okay? Ready pasta was priced $1.68 in my store. No coupon, but a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 93 cents after the rebate for the Barilla Ready pasta. Now, the next thing I did, and I did this rebate, but it's been a long time ago, okay? I can't believe it's not butter. It's food. We got to get it, okay? Now, I can't believe it's not butter was $2.68. Now, this one is with olive oil. Now, they also had just the original I can't believe it's not butter, all right? But that one was priced $2.98. So I wanted to get the cheaper one, all right? No coupon did I have, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the cost after rebate $1.68 for the butter. I think that's a good deal, guys. It's butter. And shoot, I'm freezing my butter. I got to go back to Sam's to get another big thing of butter because I'm on my last 4-pack. Okay. Next thing I got, guys, a new item I've never tried before, but I'm going to give it to my husband because he's on his yogurt eating thing. This is called Brown Cow, and it's a whole milk yogurt, and it's actually got strawberries at the bottom. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried the Brown Cow. It's a 5.3 ounce container of yogurt, and it was priced at 96 cents in my Walmart. There is a 25-cent rebate coming back, making the cost be 71 cents, guys. I'm not aware. I didn't search coupons.com to see if there was even a coupon for this. So do your due diligence and just check it, okay? Because I didn't. All right, the next thing I did was the wavy Pringles, guys. And I was excited that it wasn't the flavored ones. This is just the classic salted. So I'm glad about that because I didn't care for that other wavy one that they have that's like got seasoning on. I didn't care for that one. So maybe I'll be able to eat this one. Okay, so it's priced $1.48 in my Walmart. You get back $1 rebate, making the final cost for the Pringles only 48 cents. I think that's pretty good. That's a pretty good low, cheap rebate for you guys. Didn't have a coupon, but that's okay. Now, my last and final rebate is my Coca-Cola. This is my Coke. I'm going to drink it. My husband doesn't do soda, so, you know, it's going to be mine. And it was priced $1.88. Sucker's pricey, okay? The rebate was only 30 cents, okay? But after the 30-cent rebate, it's $1.58, okay? This is going to be good with some popcorn, you know, some buttered popcorn, salt on it, and a real cold Coke. Just saying. That's just simple pleasures, simple pleasures. Now, let's talk about how much this rebate loveliness over here cost the coupon and Crystle. $50.11 was the total of everything that I got, all this lovely product, guys. Now, I had $8.94 in coupons that actually came off of that total in store, lowering my cost to $41.17. Now, I had 2 gift cards in my purse. One of them I had already used, so I need to discard that one. One had $5 on it, so I actually used that towards this total, dropping the cost to $36.17. I paid for the $36.17 out of my rolled Ibotta money, okay? Yes. Now, let's talk about how much money I got back from Ibotta, guys. I ended up getting $1 back from completing the October level 2 bonus. $1 for that. I got my $5 back for completing the May's bonus, which was doing the 16 rebates. And I got back $20.57 in actual rebate money, guys. So the May's bonus is going to be expired by the time you see this video, but there are still some amazing rebates that you guys need to take advantage of, okay? Especially that free Tropicana juice, okay? So it's still a great deal because probably tomorrow you're going to get a Weekend Warrior bonus, so you can take some of these rebates and tie it in to your Weekend Warrior, okay? All right. So that was a total of $26.57 coming off of my $36.17 for a grand total of $9.60. Y'all don't know nothing about that right there. Yes, honey. 25 items, 38 cents each. I did better than my last video. I love it, guys. I love doing Ibotta. Ibotta is so much fun. I'm just saying, you get to try new products, you get to get stuff, you need to get food, you get to get stuff you don't have coupons for, and then it makes it really fun when you got coupons and you got a rebate. It just be like a win-win. And look at this. We got the double rebate. I mean, come on, guys. We got the double rebate on this. We got this thing for 97 cents. Stop it. Stop playing. You can't do that nowhere. You can't do that at Dollar General. You can't do that at CVS. And you can't do it at Walgreens. I'm just saying. That's it, guys. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this haul, okay? Hopefully, you're going to do these deals with your Weekend Warrior on tomorrow. Now, that's it. Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.